Before we install the piston rings, we need to make sure the end gap is within spec. Place each ring into the bottom of the cylinder and push it down with the piston. Measure the ring gap with a feeler gauge. The end gap on both rings should be no greater than 0.13 inches. If the rings are too tight, you can file the ends with a fine metal file until they are in spec. Install the first piston pin clip into the pin bore groove. Your thumbs and a small pick should work just fine, but be careful not to gouge the cylinder with the end of the clip. Rotate the clip so the opening faces up. Double check that the rings are clean and dry. Lubricate the piston edge and ring grooves with 2-stroke oil. Check that the IT mark is facing up and align the bottom ring with the alignment pin. Spread the ring just enough to clear the piston and install straight down. Do not try to wrap the ring into the groove. Check that the ring is free in the groove. Repeat with the top ring. Lubricate the pin and pin bore and press the pin into the open side of the piston. Apply assembly lube to the connecting rod opening and install the needle bearing, then apply lube to the inside of the needle bearing. Position the piston over the connecting rod so the in mark is facing the rear of the bike. Press the pin through the connecting rod and seat it against the pin clip on the other side of the piston. Install the second clip with the opening facing up. On the second ring, I nicked the piston with the ring end, but I was able to smooth it out with emery paper.